If you have been using Wispr Flow for a while, your dictation history can pile up. Here is how you can delete Wispr Flow history. So open your Wispr Flow on your computer, on your device, and on the left side go to Home section. And there you find your dictation history listed. If you scroll down here, you're gonna see all my history today and even yesterday, and you have to scroll down to see all your history. If you want to clear it, you have to do it one by one, clicking these three dots, more options, and simply delete transcript. Confirm it and it's gone. Once you clear it, it's permanently gone. Wispr Flow does not store a backup of it anywhere else. So that's basically how you can delete history in Wispr Flow. If you have any questions, make sure to comment and also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.